Driver seems a bit late today.
Why do you care? It's not like you're going out today.
I may not match Gordon's pace, sir, but I'll have a jolly good try.
Oh, shut up. You're all just jealous. Edward's better than any of you.
Driver won't be choosing you again, little Edward.
The workers, with the Fat Controller's help, have formed a little art gallery of sorts.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Gordon said a really useful engine never needs help. I'm always helping Gordon up the hill.